Hello, welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Expo 2021 Exhibitor Registration Portal. This map will look very similar to the map that the public will see. However, the zoom features are clicked on versus scrolled through. And as you can see, we have a physical show here, as well as a virtual show here. Exhibitors have the option to either be a physical booth with virtual options added to them here in the physical show, or if you're unable to attend, you can simply reserve a booth in our virtual trade show. Let's go ahead and take you through the steps of reserving a physical booth at the trade show. We'll do a separate video explaining the registration process for the virtual AME 2021 that you see over here. So let's go ahead and begin in selecting our booths. We can zoom in to get an idea of how the map was laid out. We have automation hall, mechanical hall, metalworking, and towards the top, we have an area for some process and instrumentation, as well as some future technologies. Each booth is priced slightly higher towards the front of the show and slightly less expensive towards the back of the show. There are premium prices for booths such as end caps, islands, as well as the demo vehicle spots. For this tutorial, let's simply pick a booth within the mechanical hall. We'll pick booth number 835. As you can see hovering over it, the price is $14.45 versus the front of the show, which would be $15.95. And again, just to show an example, an end cap would be $29.90, pardon me, and islands are $51.80. The islands towards the back are $4,500. So let's go ahead and through the process of picking a booth within the mechanical hall. I selected booth 833. It will show up here. As you can see, you have 45 minutes to go through your booth registration. Click continue to check out to go through the process of selecting what you need for your booth at the physical show. And it will also allow you to select items to make your physical booth a virtual one. Here you can see your booth services selections. This is specifically for booth 833 as we selected on the map. As you scroll down, you will see many different options to enhance your booth. We have some general services, chat live video capabilities. This must be selected if you intend on presenting your materials live. In doing so, in selecting this to present materials live to attendees, you will also be listed in our schedule of events. Power supplies are straightforward, compressed air, water, and so on down the list of needs for your physical booth. Power, everything is here for you to select. Simply toggle what you need and scroll down. Here we have some additional things for your booth, such as carpet, extra tables. Again, very self-explanatory. Select what you need and continue to scroll down. For my purpose in this demonstration, we'll simply select an extra folding chair. I will need compressed air. I need basic power. Actually, I'm running compressed air and a few other things. I want to have 220 and I don't need any extra lunches. So we'll scroll down to select what else we need. I do need, like I said, I need an extra folding chair. And I just want the basic black carpet for my 10 by 10 booth. No padding. This is just the basic carpet. We'll select that. We can scroll down through our rest of carpet selections, and towards the bottom, you will see presentation breakouts. If you wish to make a presentation within the Advanced Manufacturing Expo, within our breakout rooms, this is where you select that. These are very limited. You have a 1-hour window, 45-minute presentation, 15 minutes to clean up for the next and set up for the next presentation. We also have additional sponsorship and marketing opportunities. These 3 particular ones are specifically reserved for physical exhibitors of the show. Standalone services, our additional sponsorship and marketing opportunities, are available to anybody. If you're unable to physically attend the show, you may still select one of these sponsorships. Ultimately, at the end, you simply process. After selecting your booth, you'll be taken to the exhibitor profile page. Here's where you can input all of your information relevant to your company. Categories are important. If you're in the automation hall, mechanical hall, nonprofit, and so on, please select it accordingly. Here's where you're going to input your public-facing information versus your administrative information. Only the AME staff will be able to see this administrative information, or the admin of your particular company. I will fill this out with some generic information, and we'll continue on to the next screen. After you've filled out your exhibitor profile information, you'll be taken to your exhibitor profile upgrade page. Now, if you're part of the physical show, you're automatically upgraded to the expanded profile, which, as you can see here, will include all of these additional features. After you've gone to the next screen, you'll have the opportunity to select a preferred email address. We highly recommend that the preferred email address is your admin, the person in charge of making all the decisions relevant to the show. We'll just pick a generic email here to move on to the next screen. After you've clarified which email address will be the primary, you'll be taken to a screen with one additional question. If you plan to go live and showcase your materials through a third-party software of some kind, please provide the URL for that. If you don't have the information today, that is okay. It can be updated later. If you do not plan on going live at all during the show, this question is irrelevant. Our basic terms and conditions. After agreeing to the terms and services, you'll get a snapshot of your shopping cart. As you can see, you have several different options. As of right now, no payments are due until December of 2020 or January of 2021. You may pay by check, invoice me, or pay online. Online does have a processing fee which equates to 3% for credit card handling fees. If you simply hit invoice me, you will be invoiced in December or January based on your preference. You will also receive an email confirmation of the items you selected to have at the Advanced Manufacturing Expo 2021. After you've checked out your order confirmation and it all looks proper, please proceed to hit the Invoice Me button. The order confirmation will be sent to the primary email address that you've clarified earlier, and here's just a brief snapshot of it. As you can see, the processing fee has been eliminated because you are asking to be invoiced. Please note, upon invoice, should you wish to pay with credit card, the 3% fee will be added back in. However, this is designed for ease for check payments. However, we can process credit cards in real time should you wish to do so. That is your order confirmation. That is the process that you go through if you are a new exhibitor to reserve your booth for the Advanced Manufacturing Expo 2021. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at joe.teague@industrialcontrol.com. Thank you very much and look forward to seeing you this July.